What if 2022 could be an incredible year? A year where you take massive strides towards the vision you have for your dream life. A year when you achieve your goals in record time and create change that will last. A year when you get to design a future life for yourself that is filled with joy, good health, success, and fulfillment. A year where, when challenges arise, and they will, you face them with resilience and resourcefulness. A year when you finally learn to love and accept yourself, flaws and all. Sadly, most people are plodding through life, settling for whatever comes their way. While life is unpredictable and nothing is guaranteed, people who set their vision and goals intentionally stand a much greater chance of designing and creating the life they really want to be living and unleashing more of their hidden potential. I'm Coach Leonora Rhodes, and in the last 17 years, I've helped hundreds of people do just that. It would be my honor if you would join me for this recorded, self-paced vision and goal setting training.